Good morning, children. Now, today we will begin our revision work with General Science, lesson number 9, Water as a Resource. Yes, now this chapter I have already explained it to you, and we have done question and answer. But once again, what are we going to revise? Change of states of water, water cycle, impurities in water, purification of water, rainwater, harvesting. These blanks are already filled by you. Yes. Now come to the next page. Here we are going to learn. You learn about water, uses of water, and where it is needed. It is very important for the plants, for the animals, for the human being. We need water in our day-to-day life. Here we are going to learn states of water. Now, in what are these things we have already learned? Yes, that water exists in three forms: in liquid form as water, in solid form as ice, and in gas form as water vapor. These states of water change from one form to another upon heating and cooling. So see that you learn this states of water. Here you have to learn. These are all small answer, but two line answer, but very important to learn. Now here you are going to learn about your water cycle. Yes, here this is a question we have already written. Describe water cycle in nature. You will draw and label this. Yes. Now here it is about condensation, precipitation, and water cycle. Now it is what is evaporation. Now evaporation, the heat of the sun, it will warm up the water in river, lakes, ocean, and other bodies. This water will turn the water vapor. This process is called evaporation. This water will turn the water vapor, and this is called the evaporation. Now what is evaporation you will learn. What is condensation you will learn. All this what I am taking you will learn. Now here let us do the revision zone. This is in detail in 1122 line answer. Here in one word it is given: evaporation, changing of water into water vapor; condensation, changing of water vapor into droplets of water; precipitation, the falling of rain or snow, that is upon cooling. Here this you will learn. Okay. Now what makes water dirty or impure? Rainwater, you should know, it is the purest form of water, but it becomes impure. When does it become impure? When it rains down, it get the mixed up with dust particles, gases, mud and sand, germs causing diseases. So you have to read the lesson and learn 1122 line answer and prepare for any general question. This is purification of water, soluble impurities and insoluble impurities. This you will run. This filtration I had explained you with the help of a experiment also. Sedimentation and decantation. We filter water when we drink water in our house. Yes, now there are other modern facilities. According to that, we filter the water. RO is there, we make use of it. But before we used to filter the water. Now, sedimentation. What is sedimentation? Here, see, it is this thing. The heavy impurities will settle down at the bottom of the container, leaving the clear water on the top. This is called sedimentation. The clear water on the top is slowly poured into another container. This is process is called decantation. So this all you will learn it over here. Yes, this is your learning work. We have done it with the experiment. It is very simple. Sedimentation and decantation. Boiling you will learn. Chlorination, what is it? Killing of germs. But how you will kill? By adding a tablet in it, and the water becomes pure to drink. And these are all the purifying water at home. This is how when you purify water at home at a small level. You will put a cloth, you will put a strainer, and then you will filter the water using water purifier filtration, or using a chlorate. It is a kind of a chemical which kills all the germs in the water. This you will learn. Rainwater harvesting. This is the process. You store it into the tank and use it. Don't let the water waste. Rainwater harvesting from the pipe, you will put it into the tank and the water will be saved. So you will learn these keywords: evaporation, condensation, precipitation, and water cycle. And you will learn this also, because in this there are some answers given. So see that you learn all this. Okay. Now we come to fill in the blanks. This you will be writing. The state of water may be changed by heating or by cooling, heating and cooling. Put rain water is the purest form of water. Put a tick on rain. Chlorine is a chemical used to kill germs in water. When water vapors becomes too heavy, they fall as rain. Now this you will be writing in your rough notebook once only, and see that you learn it up. True and false also you will write it. Steam is the liquid form of water. False. Rainwater may be collected underground too. True. Water cannot have gases dissolved in them. False. Changing of water vapor into water is called evaporation. False. This also you will write. Now this answer in brief and answer in detail we have done in our worksheet in the classwork notebook. Yes, so you just have to learn it thoroughly. Both you will learn it. Those who have not written in the classwork notebook or those who are absent and those who have not written, see that you complete your work, written work, and see that you learn it. Learning work is only left, so learning work has to be done. Okay, and the diagram also has to be learned thoroughly. Now this is labeled the different stages in the process shown below. You have to know the first stage is evaporation, condensation, and precipitation. Now learn to draw this diagram, water cycle. You will learn it without this thing looking. You should know able to draw and to label it. So see that you learn it. Okay, children. So this is we have finished our chapter revision work. See that you read this lesson well. Okay, read the lesson very well and see that you answer all the questions in your classwork notebook. Everything is complete. Learning is more important for your preparation, should be good for the test. Okay, children, so have a good day and start revising your work thoroughly. Okay, bye children.